herself. They will ask us if they invited us over there. They will ask if they needed your help. Value you, brother. Me, I don't understand you. Forget about this Sandra of a girl. Think about your future. Let's reason and know how we move forward. Somebody who is pulling you back. You always following her to be. She keep pushing you back. You know, so you're not following her. Why now? It's not good though. You need to forget about this girl. Focus on me. Focus on us. You're the only brother I have. The only family I have left. I cannot afford to lose you because of one emotional love story that I don't understand. But I need to stop. I understand you love her, but sometimes when you love somebody and the person doesn't love you back,
can you allow me to think and stop talking?
I'm not allowing you to think.
Too much.
I cannot allow you to be thinking. Doctor, please.
Madam, what is it again? What do you want me to do? I told you from the beginning that the 500,000 naira will not be enough for her treatment. And you promised to pay the balance of 700,000 in 2 days' time. And today is the 10th day. You have not paid. What do you want me to do?
Doctor, yes. I promised to pay within 2 days. But I tried. I tried all I could to see if I can raise money, but I was able to raise only 55,000 naira from some of my properties I sold. Doctor, see, treat my daughter, please. Don't allow my daughter die, because if she dies, our lineage have closed. Help me. Save my daughter for me. She's the only one I have. Doctor, please, I'm begging you. Oh, help me. Help my life, please.
Madam, everything is in your hands right now. Madam, everything is in your hands right now. If you pay the balance of 700,000 naira, we can continue the treatment. For now, we cannot do anything. I have to be...
Amos, our friend is dying. Sandra is dying.
What happened?
I don't know, but her mother brainwashed her into sleeping with a guy just to get money from the guy. Sandra does not even know where this guy lives at all. I heard they met on Facebook, not knowing that this guy is a Yahoo boy. Yes, and now Sandra is battling with her health.
Why would Sandra have allowed herself fall into this?
Amos, I know Sandra has wronged you as a person, but please forgive her, please. If you truly love Sandra, this is the time to prove it. Amos, you know love is all about forgiveness. Love is all about sacrifice. Please, I beg of you, do all you can to help Sandra, please. Please, I don't want her to die. Amos, please.
I think this must be a spiritual thing. Or what really happened? How did it happen?
I don't know. I don't know if it's spiritual or not, but we should be talking about the solution right now. The doctor said he's not going to treat her if we don't pay off the balance. Amos, please. Amos, I know you can help her. I know you have a good heart. Please, help my friend, help our friend, please.
Oh, God. It's okay. My sister is not around. Let me lock up. So we'll go together.
Thank you. Amos, thank you. God will bless you. God will surely bless you. Thank you, Amos. Thank you so much. Thank God.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm feeling so lost. Inside me, seems like I'm going on. Someone call my love.
Sandra. Sorry, okay? Go. Easy.
just want to ask for your forgiveness. In whichever way I have wronged you. Biko, I beg you, forgive me. My mother misled me.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll do everything possible to see that you're out of this place alive, okay? Yes. And I'm forgiving you. Yeah, I'm forgiving you from my heart. My concern is that you should come out here alive. Okay? The doctor is requesting for the balance of 700,000 naira to continue the treatment. But all I have in my account is 800,000 naira that I loaned for my business.
Please. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I'm actually happy that you came here to see me. Whichever way you can, please.
It's okay. It's okay. You're not going to die, okay? You will not die. I'll try my best.
Please, I beg you, God. Do whatever you can to help her, please. For the sake of the love you would share. And
it's okay.
Be beneficial to you in the future.
It's okay. I will. I'll try my best, okay? Let me go see the doctor to know what we can do. Just be strong. Okay? You'll be fine. Let me see the doctor.
Are you Mr. Amos Okori?
Yes, doctor.
Actually, we have received the balance of 700,000 naira.
Oh, thank you. Thank God. Doctor, please, I would want you to help me. Do all you can. All the possibilities to see that she's out from this hospital alive. Please, I am begging you. Help me. You see, the money I sent to the hospital is the money I want to use for my business. I emptied myself, but I just want to take that risk to see that she's alive. Yes, right now, the money won't be a problem if I see her back on her feet again.
Mr. Amos, if I must tell you the truth, this doesn't seem ordinary. You know, as a general practitioner, I have to invite a urologist and a gynecologist to join my medical team so we can give the extensive medical care, you know, to make sure that we get a good result. Yet, what we're seeing is not actually something common. But anyways, I would advise you get on your knees and pray for her.
Doctor, we've been praying and we will continue praying, but just do your best.
Yes, I will. Sure, I will. Anyways, I'll be in my office.
Okay.
Oh, I'm feeling so lost. Inside me, seems like I'm going on.
Thank you so much for coming to see my friend. Sorry, I need help. Thank you so much.
It's okay, you don't really need to thank me. You know how much I love your friend. Okay, yeah, I can do anything to save her life. But I don't know why she let her mother to mislead her.
That's in the past now. I believe when Sandra comes out of this, she will never listen to her mother. Trust me, Amos, you're a good man. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. Mama, you're welcome.
Amos, what are you doing here? Huh?
Mama, good afternoon. Welcome.
Who is your mother? And what is good about this afternoon? What have you come here to do? Oh, so you have come to shame my daughter. Eh? You have come to mock my daughter for rejecting you. But don't worry, you are not God. God will not allow my daughter be in this situation for too long. She will soon get well and shame you back. Yes, good for nothing foolish man.
Mama, please stop. I don't like this. How can you be insulting a man that came to save your daughter?
Help.
Eh?
Help!
Amos!
What does this one knows how to do apart from coming to tell my daughter get well soon? You and I know that Amos doesn't have what it takes to help my daughter. So stop deceiving yourself. Amos is totally empty. He doesn't have anything.
Mama, I don't like what you just did. Mama!
Sandra. I saw that idiot outside. I hope you didn't allow him to touch you with his poverty-stricken body. Eh?
What is wrong? Why are you going to make it so difficult for me? I hope you did not insult him.
Of course I insulted him. Yes. Because I know he cannot offer you anything. Oh, okay, tell me, what did he say? What did he come here to do? Rather than to tell you get well soon. Eh?
Okay, Mama. Did you come with the balance of the 700,000 naira?
No.
Of course no. But you have the mouth to insult a young man who came here to offset my hospital bills after everything we did to him.
What?
Yes. Why you?
Amos has paid the remaining 700,000 naira. How is that possible?
Yes,
where did he get that kind of money? Does he have money?
Yes, Mama, I did. And for your information, he borrowed that same money to invest in his business. But when he heard about Sandra's condition, he had to come here and use that same money to clear our bills. Mama, I don't like the way you treated that young man out there. You need to take it easy on him. I know what it took me to convince that young man to come here. Only for you to treat him in such manner. I don't like it, Mama. I don't like it. I don't like the way you treated him.
Ezine, you don't have to blame me. Nobody told me that he has paid the remaining money.
And must you be told that he has paid the remaining money before you treat him like a normal human being? Mama, what is your problem? Isn't it, please help me run outside and follow you. I need to apologize to you. Please.
Yes, come back, please.
No problem now. May God bless him. At least he has done that one. But did you say he borrowed the money?
Yes, he did.
Good evening. May the Spirit of the Lord be with you all in Jesus' name.
Amen.
I'm Pastor Ifeanyi. While I was in other world, the Spirit of the Lord ministered to me that there is somebody in this world that is being under a spiritual attack.
You see? I said it.
Nevertheless, there's nothing that the Lord cannot do.
Amen.
Let us pray.
Keep this thing there. Keep it by the corner. It's your food. After the prayer, you eat.
Father, in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Thank you for the life of your precious daughter. Thank you and thank you and thank you and thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Hey. Come on, keep this money.
But I'm coming. Hey, brother. These are the list of items we need. You don't have them in the shop. They are very necessary.
Keep that list. It's not necessary. There's no money for that now.
Which one is? I don't understand. Which one is there's no money? We had 100,000 naira we made from sales last week. And 800,000 naira you borrowed. Which one is there's no money?
Yes, you're right. You're right. I used 200,000 naira to calm the landlord down. You know, he was very angry. You know, threatening to evict us from this place. Now that I've given him 200,000 naira, he won't come here to disturb us again. Okay. Yes. Then hold this thing. Then 700,000 I used it to save Sandra's life. You know, I used it for her hospital bill.
Huh?
You know, the doctor said that he will not continue with the treatment until I bring the money. So I have to give them the money. Just to save her life, you know. Yes.
Brother, is this a joke or something?
No, it's not a joke here. It's what I did.
So you are telling me that you used the money you borrowed for your business to clear Sandra's hospital bills? I see. I'm beginning to understand that you're under their spell. After everything they did to you, child, I'm beginning to doubt if you are the true son of our father. But how can you be this stupid?
Hey,
how?
Hey, I will slap the hell out of you. Are you mad? Eh? I'm still your elder brother, so you mind the way you talk to me.
Behave like one.
See, be careful. Be careful with me. This is my business. I choose how to run it.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh.
So mind the way you talk.
Oh, okay. It's not your business. Because I'm blaming you for doing the wrong thing. It's not your business. You now have to remind me that I'm wasting my time here. Oh, child. No problem, brother. It is your business. Run your business the way you want to run it. Your money. Can run your business.
Where are you going
run
to?
it. Run your business.
It's okay. I am
run
sorry. It's our business. It's not mine alone. Why? This girl will not understand. I can't have such money and I allow Sandra to die.
Amos!
Mama? Good morning, ma.
Good morning. This one you are dressed like this. It seems you are going to a very important place.
No, I'm going to my shop.
Your ordinary shop? Huh?
Mama?
Is it why you are dressed like this?
Because Candy Konyala.
So if you are all those rich men, rich boys that have supermarkets, you will be wearing suit and tie to go to your shop. Huh? Anyway, no problem. I was coming to your house to thank you for paying my daughter's hospital bill the other day. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. But they said you borrowed the money. So I was wondering what you used as collateral, knowing fully well that you don't have a land of your own or a good house. Or is it that your Maggie and Pepper shop that you used as collateral to borrow the money?
Mama, are you here to thank me for what I did for your daughter? Or are you here to insult me? Which one? What have I done to you? Why is it that you use every opportunity to attack me? Why? What is it?
Did I insult you now? I was only asking what you used as collateral. Because I know you don't have anything. And you are seeing it as insult. This is one problem I have with poor people like you. Every little thing you will see it as insult, thinking I'm mocking you for being poor. I'm not mocking you.
If this
you
is how
already know you are poor.
If this is how you want to care, hold it. I don't need it. Hold it. I don't need it. You don't know what I'm passing through right now. You don't know. I used the money I loaned for my business and paid for your daughter's hospital bill. I used that money to save your daughter's life. And this is all you have to tell me. You stopped me here to insult me.
Wait.
Odimma.
Wait.
Maggie.
Wait. Did you say that I don't know what you're passing through? You said I don't know what you're passing through right now. Oh, you've already started passing through a lot. Hey, yeah. I'm so sorry, I didn't know. You see, that's why you overdo yourselves. All these poor people. I'm so sorry about it. God is your strength. Jishike, no? Jishike kachuku bagume. Have you seen it? You are very poor and you are overdoing yourself. Who sent you to go and borrow money? Have you seen it now? You have started passing through a lot. Anyway, no problem. Ngwanu, thank you. Chineke bagume. Jishike.
I don't even know where to start. Truly, I don't know what to say to you because I want to apologize for everything I did to you. And I also want to say thank you. God in heaven knows that I am grateful for what you did for me, for saving my life and giving me a second chance in your life. Thank you so much. God bless you.
My dear.
But I swear to God who made me, it will never happen again.
It's okay, I understand. It's okay. My happiness now is that you're back from the hospital. You're back. And the most important thing now is that you're back into my arms. Yes. Nice. God is wonderful. To have healed you, God is wonderful. But I know you've learned a lesson. You've learned your lessons that not all these rich men are something. Some of them are into ritual that can destroy you. But you won't know. It's only when you come close to them you know the kind of people they are.
In my life, I wouldn't have thought that I would do that kind of thing. I don't want to do it. You know I'm not that kind of person. It's my mother. My mother pushed me into it. She made me do it. But I swear to God, I would never try it again.
It's okay. It's okay.
I won't do it.
I know you're not that kind of person. I know. I'm so happy to have seen you now.
Thank you very much. I swear to God, I would never try it again.
It's okay. It's okay.
I won't do it.
I know you're not that kind of person. I know. I'm so happy to have seen you now.
Thank you very much. You know I love you.
I love you more.
Come again. Hey, you have started. What is it testing?
Can I throw him?
Shut up. Jesus. Mama, are you Emma?
Which reasonable man will leave his business and go to a woman's house at this time of the day and be kissing her under this hot sun? Tell me, Amos, is it because of the little money you use in setting up my daughter's hospital bill that is making you to come here every time and try to bite off her tongue? Huh? If that is the reason, I will make sure that I run round to get that money and pay you back. Because you are beginning to turn my daughter into a lazy woman. Look at everywhere. Everywhere is dirty. She can't sweep again. Huh?
I didn't mean you should pay me back the money I used for her hospital bill. It's not right. Your daughter is someone I love so much. There's not gotten to that now.
Amos, you need to go back and focus on your business. Focus on your life to see if you can escape poverty. Yes, I'm not insulting you. I'm trying to tell you what your mother would have told you if she were to be alive. Yes, women are distraction, especially to poor men like you.
Mama, stop!
Stop what?
What is it? Why are you always insulting him? Why do you derive so much joy in just insulting this man? Eh? What has he done wrong now? Must you always remind him that he's yet to be rich?
Sandra, you're not telling this man the truth, oh.
What truth?
You and I know that Amos doesn't have what it takes to take good care of you. Advise him. You better advise him to go and hustle. Focus on his business to see if he can make money. And not coming here all the time, playing one stupid love with you under this hot sun. Tell him the truth. Even the money he used to pay off your hospital bill, he borrowed it. Very soon those people will begin to chase him around. So you better advise him to go and do his business. Not coming here all the time, playing one stupid love with you or under this hot sun. Advise him. Tell him the truth. Huh? And you better leave here. Start going. Go! Start going.
Mama, let me see him off.
See who up? See who up, Sandra? Sandra, come. Sandra, come here. Mama, wait now. I say come. Stop it. You know he's way go. Mama, come.
Mandana, bali for mother. Help. Whether you like it or not, I love her.
Mama, what is it? What is it?
Sandra, why have you decided to ruin your future with that good-for-nothing boy?
Mama, please, don't start. Don't even start. We've not even finished talking of how you almost misled me to dating a Yahoo boy that almost used me for rituals. And you're here insulting the same person who came to the hospital to offset my hospital bills. Mama, have you forgotten that we didn't have money to pay for it? Have you forgotten? Or is it not obvious that this young man loves you? Why are you giving me so much problems?
Money he borrowed from someone. Sandra, can't you see that Amos is empty? Is that the kind of man you want to end up with? Eh? A man that has to borrow before he pays any of your bills. I reject it for you. It won't happen. Eh? In fact, you are the one that made mistake by following that Yahoo man that infected you with all sorts of diseases. Eh? Yes, you made the mistake. The mistake is from you. Mama. But I ask you to follow a rich man doesn't mean you should follow anyone you see on the street. Yes. Hey. Anyway, that one is in the past now. All I want from you is look for a man that has home address. A man that everyone knows what he does. Can't you see Nkechi? She married a billionaire from the next community. And everyone knows her husband and his home. That's the kind of man I want you to be hanging out with. Not all these Yahoo boys you met online. Yes! That nearly ruined your future. Eh? And you're trying to put the blame on me.
Mama, I will put every blame on you. Have you forgotten how you pushed me? To live a happy and healthy relationship I was having with Amos. Forcing me to collect money from a young man I do not know. And you're here telling me that I should look for a rich man to marry. Mama, wait for this nonsense. You say this nonsense you want to start now. I don't want it. I don't want it at all. Please.
Sandra, the only nonsense I am seeing now is Amos. Amos is the only nonsense in your life right now. And if you don't want to suffer in the future, you must end whatever that is going on between you and that foolish Amos. Amos is a distraction. Yes. He cannot take good care of you.
Mama, what you're doing is very unfair. What you're doing right now is so unfair, Mama. It's not nice, oh.
What is unfair? Sandra, tell me what is unfair in this? That I'm insisting that affliction shall not rise a second time. Is it what you're calling unfair? Tell me! I got married to a man who didn't take good care of me very well. And I wouldn't want you to suffer in your own marriage just like me. Is it what you're calling unfair, Sandra? Listen, my dear. Love is not enough. Marriage needs money to sustain it. And Amos doesn't have it. You and I know. Amos cannot take good care of you. So you better forget about him. Forget him!
Seems like I'm going on.
Officer. Yes, Mr. Amos.
Okay, is that the Mr. Amos?
Yes, he came to our firm to borrow money.
Mr. Jide, what is going on? It has not gotten to this now.
What do you mean it has not gotten to this? You came to our firm to borrow money. Eh? With the promise of returning it in 2 months. This is 4 months now. We have not seen our money, not to talk of interest. Eh? And each time we call you, you refuse to pick our calls.
Mr. Jide, please, I want you to listen to me. It has not gotten to this. Eh? Something happened, but I can explain.
Mr. Man, hold that explanation. Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. Lock up the shop. Lock up the shop. That's when they borrow money when I no fee pay. Eh? Lock up the shop. Let's go. You think I come here to joke? No.
To allow that good for nothing stupid boy get you pregnant. I thought you were a wife. Eh? Sandra, I am so ashamed of you. I am disappointed at you. And over my dead body will I allow that boy get married to you?
Mama, why are you doing this?
It will not happen.
Why are you doing this? I love him and he loves me wholeheartedly.
Will you shut up? What do you know about love? Tell me. Eh? Tell me, what is love without money? You want to go into marriage and start suffering the way I suffered?
Mama,
it will not happen.
Mama, you really need to calm down. You need to take it easy.
Take what easy?
Sandra. Mama, isn't it? What is it? Why are you running like that?
Sandra, there is problem.
Listen, just say what do you mean there is a problem? Speak now, what is it?
Amos has been arrested.
Hey! I said it. I said it. That boy is a thief. I said it!
Mama, Mama, please. Biko, just stop this right now.
Stop what?
What do you mean stop what? You just heard what she said. At least allow her to tell us what happened. And you're already calling him a thief.
Okay. Say what happened.
Isn't it?
Tell us what happened.
What
Say
happened?
it.
What happened?
He was arrested because of the money he borrowed to pay your hospital bills.
You know what? Let's go. We need to get to the station.
So where are you going to? Which police station? Eh? Where are you going to? Are you a lawyer? Tell me.
Oh, you just heard what she said. Amos has been arrested. He was arrested because of the money he used in paying my hospital bills. At least, let me go to the station and give him some form of solidarity.
Solidarity? Solidarity as what? Tell me. Eh? Are you a human rights activist? Or a senior advocate of Nigeria? Which one are you? What type of solidarity are you going there to show? Eh? Did you send him to go and borrow money?
Mama, this is
Did you send him?
Mama, this is not fair.
And listen, you see, in this type of situation, my daughter here and I cannot do anything. When you get there, wish him well. Send our regards. We cannot do anything. Sandra, how are you? Inside. Get inside immediately.
Mama, this is not
inside.
Fair. This is not fair. Mama, what you're doing is not fair. This is the same man who saved my life. Now he's been arrested. You don't want me to go and see him. It's not fair. I know why I'm saying this to you.
You want them to arrest you too. It will not happen. Did you send him to go and borrow money? Did you send him to borrow money? In fact, I don't know why poor people like to overdo themselves. You didn't send him to go and borrow money to come and pay your hospital bill. He just did it willingly. He did it willingly. Have you seen it? You're not going anywhere. And you, if you want to become the senior advocate of Nigeria, you go and show your own solidarity here. Go! Send our regards to him. Take my daughter to class. And if you say anything like that again, that you are going out.
Brother, I warned you. I warned you to stay away from that ungrateful family, but you wouldn't listen. Now see where we are now. Where are they? Where are they? You keep making sacrifices for that family and getting humiliation and embarrassment as thank you. You were with Sandra at the hospital. Where is she? Where is she now?
My dear, Sandra is not the problem. Sandra loves me. She would love to be here if her mother did not stop her. Sandra is not the problem. Her mother is the problem here. That is the truth.
Can you just stop making excuses for this girl? Can you stop? If she wanted to come and see her mother, won't be able to stop her. But I just stop all this Sandra of a thing. We shouldn't even be having this conversation right now. We should be talking about how you leave this place. How you get out of this place.
Anyway, they said I'm not living here until I pay off my debt.
Eh? And where are we going to get 800,000 naira from? Where?
I have to sell everything in the shop.
Eh?
Yeah.
You will say what?
I have to sell off everything in the shop. That's the only way I can promote from here. I would have something to sell. And I'm here. I don't want to stay here any longer. If I stay here more time, I'm going to die.
Hey, Jesus. God, why? Why is all these things happening to us? Just so good to just send our destiny helpers to locate us. We can't keep suffering like this. We cannot keep suffering like this. I don't know what to do, but I need to think of something.
You just have to sell everything in the shop.
How are we going to survive?
That's the only option.
How would we survive? That's our only source of income, brother. I want you.
Oh, I'm feeling so lost. Inside me, seems like I'm going up. Someone come and love.
Stop crying. I heard what happened. That's why I'm rushing to the station to see how I can be of help. It's okay.
Why is all this problem happening to us? My brother is in the police custody. What's the people we helped are relaxing in their house? I want it, but you can't talk on me to convince him to help Sandra. Now see where we are now.
I'm sorry. I know you're going to blame me for all of this. But I was not expecting it to get to this stage. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what you and your brother are going through right now. It's okay. Stop crying, okay? Where are you going to?
I'm going home to make food for him.
Oh, you don't have to worry about that. I brought some food and sweets for him.
You're a good person. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
It's okay. Stop crying.
I've forgiven you, my beauty, my charm.
I don't know why my own is like this. I don't know. My own kind of love turned to the sour love. I don't know what happened. I don't know what I've done to that family. I don't know why they treated me like this. Sandra should have been here to see me. The same person that put me in this condition is not even here to see me. It's very unfair.
Amos, it's okay. I understand how you feel. Just put yourself together.
Don't tell me to put myself together. You caused it, you know. You're the one that made me go save my life. I took a very big risk. I'm regretting it because my sister warned me.
Amos, don't say that, okay? Don't see it as a mistake. Whatever you did was for love.
Love? Did you say love? Does love exist? I doubt if it does.
Amos, God will provide for you and you're going to come out of this place. You're not going to remain here forever, okay? It's okay. I brought food for you.
I don't know why my own is like this. What have I done to deserve all this? What have I done to deserve all this? What?
Amos, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I don't like to see you like this.
Come back to me. I've forgiven you.
You've lost everything. You've lost a source of income.
We are not finished, my dear. We are not finished. We will get back to our feet again. At least we still have our life, our health. So we will work it out. God will help us. Okay? I just want to thank you for standing by me at the police station, even though it was my responsibility to handle the whole thing, but I don't know what happened. But I thank you both. I thank you for standing by me. Okay? God will bless you.
Brother, and my blood, the only family I have left, can never abandon you. But you disappointed me. Each time I remember you used that loan to clear Sandra's hospital bills, my blood boils in anger. That ungrateful family. They're the reason you were arrested, yet none of them came to see you. Not even Sandra, your love. That ungrateful family. Eh? I expected her to come and see you, even though I know that a mother will not allow her. But I expected her to sneak out, to come and see you, because she's the reason why you were there. Now you see, she did not show up.
Hey.
You put your... Sorry. How are you?
Hey.
How are you? Hi, my love. Thank God you were back. I came immediately I heard that you've been released. I swear to God, I really wanted to come see you at the police station. But my mother refused. She did not allow me. Is she angry with me?
She's very angry with you. Very angry. And I'm also angry with you too. I don't know what is wrong with you. But it's okay. It's okay. At least now that I've seen you, I'm happy. I missed you.
And I missed you too. Honestly, I really missed you.
She's very angry with you. Very angry. And I'm also angry with you too. I don't know what is wrong with you. But it's okay. It's okay. At least now that I've seen you, I'm happy. I missed you.
And I missed you too. Honestly, I really missed you. Meanwhile, I have good news for us.
Good news?
Yes.
What is it?
Guess.
You know I'm not good at guessing, you know.
Just try. Try.
Okay. Did you win a lottery?
Which lottery? Did I apply for any lottery? Which one is lottery?
Do I know?
Think of something else. Something exciting.
Okay.
Okay, let me give you a clue.
Okay. Why are you hitting your tummy?
I am pregnant. 2 weeks pregnant. For us.
You're pregnant?
Yes, I am pregnant. For me? Yes, for you.
You're pregnant?
Yes, I am.
Wow. Wow, this is nice.
What is it? Something wrong?
Not really, just that this thing happened now that I have no cash with me. Don't have any money with me now.
Oh, that. We still have the shop. Let's just be hopeful. God will send customers. They will come around. They will buy goods. I'm sure it will even triple compared to what you used to sell before. You know, children are blessings. God will bless us with this child. But the shop is still there. We can manage. That's not.
There is no shop anymore.
I don't understand. What do you mean there is no shop anymore?
There is no shop anymore.
How?
I used the shop to bail myself. I've lost everything. And I signed the documents before I was released. I lost everything.
Wait. What you're saying in essence is you don't have a shop anymore. I mean your shop, the normal shop. There's no shop anymore. Ah!
I'm feeling so lost inside me.
Sandra, what is it? Where have you been since? Huh?
Mama, the worst has happened.
The worst has happened. What happened?
Mama, sincerely, I don't know how I feel. I feel so sad. Amos has lost everything. He used his shop to bail himself, Mama. The bank collected everything from him, everything he has ever worked for. Just because this young man wanted to save my life, now everything is gone.
And why are you acting surprised? Yes. Why are you surprised? Did I tell you before that Amos or whatever you call him has nothing to offer? Did I tell you? That boy is destined to be poor. Yes. And this is the man you are keeping this pregnancy for. You better go in there and take those abortion pills I bought for you. Go in there now and take it. Take the drugs immediately. Go there.
How do you sleep at night, Mama? This is somebody's child. He has lost everything he ever worked for. His livelihood, his source of income. He doesn't have anything. And you are still asking me to go in and abort his child. Mama, how do you even do these things? Why would you do this to him?
Huh? Go there and take those abortion pills.
Mama, it will hurt him.
It will hurt him?
Yes.
And it will hurt you more if you keep this pregnancy for him. This is a man who struggles to pay his shop rent when he had a shop. This is a man who barely feed himself or buy good clothes for himself when he had a shop. And you still want to keep this pregnancy for him. Eh? Do you want to suffer? Eh? Is it not obvious now that Amos will soon begin to beg for food? Because they have collected everything. He doesn't have money again, even hope now. There is no hope for him again to feed. Very soon, he will start begging. You better go in there now and take those drugs. Because you can't keep this pregnancy. You will not suffer in my hand. No, I will not allow you to do that. Yes. Look at it now. They have collected the small shop. He is managing to feed himself. Obviously, he has nothing. So think about it. In short, what are you even thinking about? You don't have to think about anything. Just go in there and take those drugs. Take those pills immediately and let this baby dissolve from your stomach. And you are here looking at me. I hope your brain has started resetting now.
Bam Bam. Bam Bam. Can you be able?
Yes.
Oh, Mama. I greet you. I'm here to see the mother of my unborn child.
Which child?
Oh, no prayer.
Eh?
Ne. How are
Amos.
you?
Amos, I'm asking you, which child? There is no child. I had to heed to my mother's advice and I took out our baby.
What?
Amos, I mean, it is absolutely wrong for two poor people to get married. What are we going to be talking about? Because I don't want to. I don't want to suffer.
You aborted my child without my consent?
Because which consent?
Sandra.
Eh? You as a poor man, how do you give consent to somebody else?
Oh.
Amos, listen, it is not my fault. I don't know what you want me to do. Now, what exactly do you do? Do you have a shop? What business do you run? Oh, okay, let me even ask you. If I had decided to keep the baby, how will you take care of me and my child?
Aye.
Oh, you want me to bring in a child into this world and come and suffer? It won't work.
Sandra,
I have to flush it.
No, you can't do this to me. You cannot. Is this a joke or what? What is going on? Am I just dreaming?
Enough! Does it look like a dream to you? Eh? This is reality. And it's for your own good.
Mama, this is not good. How would I have encouraged this kind of a thing? This is not right. Baby Casey Mexico, what is this? What happened?
So, before I close my eyes and open it now, you are out of my compound.
Oh, Mama, we are talking about my child here.
Are you still here?
Baby Casey, what happened?
Are you still here, Amos? Okay, wait, I'm coming.
Did you do this to me?
Listen, you better leave before my mother comes out.
Eh?
If my mother comes out and finds you here, you will not like yourself. Oh. You see this, your dada? She'll straighten it.
Eh?
You better leave.
Are you still here?
Mama?
Are you still here?
Oh, this is not right now. This is not good. Eh? Oh, God. Oh, shit. Hi.
Mama, are you sure we did the right thing? Eh?
Look at you. Do you want to suffer? Eh?
No.
Yes, we did the right thing.
Eh.
As long as you don't want to suffer, we did the right thing. Go inside. Oh my God. It has come. Nje! Inside.
Okay. Mama. Okay.
Hey. As in there. As in there. Oh God.
Amos.
God.
Amos, what is it?
God. Sandra.
Why are you like this? What did Sandra do?
Sandra, why are people like this? Why are people heartless? Why?
What happened? Can you just talk to me?
The other day I came back from the police station and Sandra came to my house. She said to me, I have good news for you. I have good news. I said, okay, what is good news? She says she's pregnant for me.
Okay.
I was so happy. Okay, today I want to check on her. Sandra now said to my face that she has flushed the baby.
What?
Imagine.
Sandra did what?
My God.
No. I don't support her on that. This is very bad. Why would she do such a thing like that?
She said because I have no shop anymore. I don't have anything to support or to feed her and the baby. Eh? Can you imagine? And she has to heed to her mother's advice to flush my baby. My first fruit, my first child, my blood.
This is bad.
Why would Sandra do such a thing? Why? Is it because I'm poor or something? Why? What is this now?
Amos, it's okay.
Why is her mother deceiving her? Why?
Amos, it's okay. Just calm down. I don't even know what to say, but pull yourself together. It's okay.
Good. I know how much I've suffered for Sandra. Why is she punishing me like this? Why? Why?
Sandra, you did what? How can you abort a man's child without his approval? When did you become this wicked and insensitive? You did this to a man who risked everything just to save your life. A man who lost his shop because he tried to save your life. I am highly disappointed at you.
Disappointed? You have tried. Now let me ask you a question. Why exactly are you defending Amos? Is he your brother? Everything that I am asking you, are you two blood related? Oh, okay. I see what is happening. No, I can see it. I can see it in your eyes. You have an eye for Amos, okay? No, you have an eye for him. Because I don't know why you are doing this.
Sandra, you know I have a boyfriend. And I don't have eyes for Amos. I am just standing on the truth. Have you forgotten everything this guy did for you?
Thank you for reminding me. You have tried. But will you carry a pregnancy and stay with a man who doesn't have a job? Who doesn't have anything to do? How do you expect Amos to take care of you? He doesn't do anything and you want me to keep the pregnancy for him. Or my mother will wholeheartedly welcome me back into her house. That I brought in a child where a man cannot even take care of me. How is Amos going to look after me and the child? I'm asking you, you're not answering me.
Sandra, that's not enough reason. What you did is very wrong. This is something you would have sat down and discussed with him. Do you know you can be sued for that? That is funny. Why are you laughing?
Hey! Sue! Who wants to sue me? Amos. Sue who? Amos that does not have shish. That one that cannot even eat 2 complete square meals. Amos wants to come and sue me. How? Where will the money come from? No, I'm asking you. Where will the money come from? Yeah. You know, when you walked into this compound, I thought you had something reasonable to come and tell me. I didn't know you came here to spit rubbish.
Sandra.
As I'm looking at you now, just dust this your cheap slippers that you walked to my father's house. Turn back like Baba Chia and walk out of my father's compound. What is wrong with you?
Sandra, are you asking me out of your compound?
No, I'm not asking you out. I'm asking you to come inside. Come inside. No, come inside. Let us go and bath now. Come inside. See, let me warn you. Don't you ever come to my father's house to come and advance me again. If you don't have anything reasonable to say to me, don't come here, show your ugly face and talk nonsense. Turn back and go. I said you should leave my father's compound this evening.
Sandra, I should leave.
Okay, you don't want to leave. Well, when you are done advising your spirit and your ancestors, you leave my father's compound. Okay.
Sandra. Ma.
down.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Good
Azina, how are you?
I'm fine. I prepared a delicious meal and I decided to bring some for you.
Wow.
Have it.
Thank you. Oh,
You're
thank you so
welcome.
much. God bless you.
Amen.
I appreciate for all the things you've been doing for my sister and I. God will bless you.
Amen. I have to go now. I need to get something at the market.
Immediately?
Yes.
Okay. No problem. You have a nice day.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah.
Ma, bye. We'll see you later.
All right.
Before you will lean it, will cost everything. Before you use your nose and eat everything. Yeah, you're right. She's a nice person, good-hearted, a very wonderful girl. But you know, sometimes good people doesn't fall in the hands of nice guys, you know. And Ezine is unfortunate, you know. She's just dating someone who beats her all the time. That guy is a beast, you know. A nice girl to a bad guy, a bad guy to a nice girl.
Good girls always end up with bad people. I don't know why.
Not me, just like me and Sandra. You know, I did all I did for her. All I did for her. What did I get in return? She broke my heart. You know? Sandra came and told me about the good news to cheer me up. I was happy. All of a sudden, Sandra told me that she has terminated the child, my unborn child. I will never forgive Sandra. Never.
Brother, are you sure you can never forgive her? This was the same thing you said the last time Sandra and her mother humiliated and mocked us. But what did you do? Instead, you used the money you borrowed for your business to clear her hospital bills. I don't just know why you are always on this Sandra of a girl. You can never forgive her. Let's just hope so. Me, I hope that when you start doing better now, you not go back to that girl because you continue ruining your life.
Excuse me, ma. Greetings, ma.
Oh, very humble. See the way he came down from the car just to greet us. How are you, my son?
I'm fine, Mama. Mama, you know, it would be so disrespectful for me to remain in the car while talking to an elderly, beautiful mother like you.
Yes.
That's why I had to come down to enable me speak to you. And I guess this must be your daughter.
Yes, yes, she is my daughter. My one and only beautiful daughter. See? Very brilliant and intelligent. As you can see.
What's her name?
Sandra is her name.
Wow, what a beautiful name for a beautiful lady as this. Please, you should just get into the car. Let me be your cab driver. I will take you to anywhere you're going to. Anywhere I mean.
Sorry, you don't need to, okay? We are almost home.
No, we are not almost home. We still have about 10 minutes to trek.
Wow, that's a whole lot to trek under this hot weather. Can't you see how hot the weather is?
Yes.
Please, just kindly join me in the car. I don't mean any harm. I will drive you gently and safely. You know, you're beautiful and Mama is just said, okay, Mama, let me open the door for you. Okay, right. Follow this way. for you.
Hey! Hey, whoa!
You're welcome. Mama.
Chineke, thank you very much. You see this your car, eh? Everything is working perfectly well. Yes, the air conditioner and the music are A1. I enjoyed myself.
Your mom knows what's up.
Hey, allow me, let me tell him.
Mama, I'm glad you enjoyed the ride.
Yes, we enjoyed it. We enjoyed it.
Thank you very much. Thank you for bringing us back home. We appreciate it.
You don't have to. It's actually nothing for an angel like you. I mean,
It's okay. I will be inside. Let me leave you people to catch up with each other.
Okay.
Talk to him.
You know, the funny person.
She's a whole character.
Oh,
Like that sometimes.
but I like her that way, honestly. Yeah. Beautiful. My name is Henry, and I actually live within the town. I would want us to get close, you know, like close friends, if you wouldn't mind.
It's okay. We can be friends.
Oh, that's amazing. Please, let me just have your telephone number so I can get to call you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So that is it. You can call me so I save yours as well.
Definitely, I'm going to call. You are so beautiful, I must tell you.
Thank you. And you don't look bad yourself. You're handsome.
Do you know no one has actually told me this before?
That would be a joke. I'll go inside now, okay?
Okay, I'll call you.
Okay.
Let me take my leave now. You want me to help you down today? Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh.
Isn't it? What is it? Why are you crying? Why all these bruises on your face? What happened?
It must it's my boyfriend. I went to his house and I caught him cheating. And he started beating me. He was saying I would have called him before coming to his house.
Isn't it? When will you have sense? Eh? When will you stop all this? Eh? You want to get yourself injured before you leave that relationship.
I love him.
Isn't it? This guy does not deserve you. Eh? When will you stay away before this guy kills you?
I love him. I love him so much and I'm believing he will change.
He will change. So you'll be the one to change him. Someone who doesn't have conscience, that beats you all the time. Maybe he will change behind the bars after he must have killed you. Yes, of course, that kind of people changes when they must have killed their victim. Then they will change inside the jail.
Amos, I have tried. I have tried to move on. But each time I try, it ends up breaking my heart. I love Emeka so much.
Eh? Why are you doing this to yourself? I am talking to you just because we are now friends. We are like families now. You're a good person. You have good hearts. You're so good to my sister and I. That's why I have this time to talk to you as a family. Stay away from this guy. This guy doesn't deserve you at all. Do you want to die?
No.
You don't want, then stay away and break off from this relationship. Just look at you. I'm talking, you're still talking love. Is it when you die, then you realize that this is not love? Someone who loves someone doesn't beat her. That guy is a beast. He's going to kill you one day.
I don't know why he's treating me this way. Oh. I do everything to make him happy. I don't know why he's treating me this way.
It's okay. He's treating you that way because he doesn't love you. He loves you, he'll be beating you.
Mama, I hope you are not taking my daughter to a hotel.
Not at all, ma. I am taking her to my crib.
Crib?
Oh, yes.
What is crib?
Mama, break your voice down. Don't disgrace us. Crib is mansion. You see all those big houses in the city. They call it crib. This is our type now. It's owner. That one in the city now is mansion.
Mansion.
Yes.
You are a good boy.
Oh, thank you.
So you have a house around this area?
Of course I do. It's actually within the town, and that is where I want to take her to, so she can know where I stay, since I've actually known where she lives. Yes, Mama.
That is very good.
Oh,
you are a responsible man.
Oh, my mama will always say that.
This one is responsible. Just take good care of yourself out there.
Okay, Mama.
Wow. You are looking so beautiful and dressed so classy, my queen.
Mama, queen.
You are a queen. You are a queen.
Okay, Mama, we'll go now.
My goodness, you're so beautiful. I've never seen. Let me be the one to open the door for you, please. You don't have to touch. You don't have to touch the door. What an angel! Oh my goodness! This is like an angel bundled from above down to earth. Wow! What's the beauty?
Bye bye.
Agents of poverty, hungry looking, catastrophic human beings. Baby, this is that hungry ex.
Wow.
That one that I told you that wanted to kill me inside the matter. This is him.
Wow.
And my hungry friend, this one that is looking like a forgotten palliative. This is her. This is the same person that had her eyes on this. I knew that you had your eyes on him. And I told you to take him. Shebi, I dashed you. And here you are, begging. You people are suffering to the point that, Oga, you cannot even buy. I'm saying buy. You buy machine. You cannot even pay for bike to carry your girlfriend. Who the men love under hot sun.
Sandra, what is wrong with you? Why are you insulting us? Oh, I see. It's because of your new boyfriend, Abby.
See this mistaken identity. You are still here supporting this hungry man.
Sandra.
Look at where I am. I am talking to you from inside Jeep. Jeep that is tinted. When you were coming, did you see me? You did not see me now because this glass now is tinted. So this is what you ended up with. Anyways, what am I even complaining about? I dash you. You can have all of him and his wretchedness.
You're complaining because you still have your eyes on me. Sandra, we are not complaining.
Hello.
We are happy. Congratulations to your new boyfriend. Congrats, congrats. We are happy, we're trekking, we are happy, we're not complaining. We are not complaining.
Poor men don't complain. Have you ever seen a poor man complain? It's rich men that complain. Like if my baby here complain now, hey, I don't have a problem. But you,
we are happy.
You want to, my dear?
We are happy with our Legacy's Benz,
Why am I even standing here talking to poor people when AC is supposed to be going?
My queen, can you leave them? Let's go.
My baby, let us go.
Sandra, we don't need your advice. Keep it to yourself.
Yeah! Who's giving you advice? Me.
Baby,
my advice on poor people.
Don't worry, let's go.
Look at them.
I'll treat you well. Take your eyes off me. Take your eyes off me. Take your eyes off me. It's okay, my dear. Jamina.
Look at them.
Jamina.
They don't watch your time.
Let us go. Hungry lovers.
Let's go.
Let's go. Don't mind it. Don't mind that.
You know we shouldn't have done this on our first visit to you. I mean, it's the first time coming to your house. We should have waited maybe on my next visit or, you know, some other time. We shouldn't have done anything today.
You think so?
Yes.
Oh, come on, babe. It doesn't matter, okay? Look, that I slept with you on your first day of visiting me doesn't mean that you are cheap. Not at all. It means that you truly love and value me, and it's something that I appreciate so much. You don't have to feel that way. Yeah.
I appreciate you for saying that, but you know, sometimes when a man sleeps with a girl on their first date, they tend to see her as cheap, and I don't want that for myself.
I'm not that kind of a guy. Look, they are not real men. I have to tell you the truth. I mean, it's a very big privilege for me to even be able to make love with you. Coming to me the first day, it's something I shouldn't just take for granted. I mean, no. I'm not that kind of a guy. I so much appreciate and value you, okay?
Okay. Thank you very much. Meanwhile, you said you'd take me shopping on our way home. I mean, when you're going to drop me.
Yeah, I didn't forget. Just that I had one or two issues with my transaction limit. I did a whole lot of business transaction online today. I didn't know when I reached my limit. But not to worry. Yeah. By tomorrow, I'll be transferring about 1 million naira to you so you can use and take care of a few things. Oh yeah. I want to just change your life and make you the envy of other women, baby.
Wait. You give me 1. Yeah, well, that's 1 with 6 0.
Is this
1 million? Eh? You are the real goat. What? 1 million naira for shopping.
Yeah.
You are the greatest of all time.
Oh,
you are the biggest goat.
That's almost gonna be big for my baby. I mean,
hey! You give me 1 million.
Oh yeah.
In fact, you are a nama.
Oh.
Hey!
I was thinking it's too small.
Hey! 1 million. Do you know what about 1 million? In fact, honey,
that's not much.
You are a sheep.
Oh, for a queen like you, baby, that's not. I mean, it's nothing.
Hey!
I mean,
1 million.
You want more than that, baby.
You mean he didn't give you anything, even if he stands for coming?
Mama, I don't know why you don't want to calm down. Eh? Didn't you hear what I said before? The young man said that he doesn't have enough money with him. When he tried to make transfer to me, he found out that he had reached his limits. And he promised me that tomorrow he's going to send me 1 million naira. Calm down.
What kind of excuse is that? Eh? At least he should have asked one of his rich friends to do the transfer for him, since he doesn't have cash at home. Yes.
Mama, so that's what I'll be asking.
Are you trying to tell me that he doesn't have any rich friend or relative that can help him do the transfer?
Even if he has, I will not tell him to start telling them to transfer money to me. As who now? His beneficiary. Why will I ask him to do that? Mama, you need to calm down. I didn't want it to seem like everything is money, 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 money. It's sense they used to use and follow all these people. And he told me that he's going to transfer 1 million naira for shopping for me. Just for shopping. Tomorrow.
Sandra.
Eh?
Are you sure this man is not one of those stingy rich men that doesn't give money?
Oh,
eh?
God.
Because I don't understand the kind of excuse he's giving you. After taking you to his house for the first time,
Mama, that's
he didn't give you, even if it's transport fare.
Mama, the young man that came here today, does he look like a stingy person?
Huh?
He's not stingy. You need to calm down so that we use sense and follow this man. That man has money, oh. Hey! Mama, if you see his compound, yeah, we will know. Hey! Enter his parlor. Finish. His kitchen. Shut down. Mama, his bedroom.
That one is no go area. Everything in the house now gold. My mother man is stinkingly rich.
His bedroom. Sandra. So you entered his bedroom. Yes. Oh, that man has slept with you without giving you shishi. Sandra.
Mama, hey, if I enter his bedroom, what will I go there to do? Is he praise and worship?
So that man has touched you.
A young man that came to tell you that he's carrying me to his house. What are we going there to do, Mama?
Sandra, you did Osho free. You didn't collect a dime.
Mama,
even if it's transport money.
He said he will give me.
No thanks for coming.
Hi.
Mama,
if I don't do, how with the money you are looking for?
And I was here waiting for you to come back with a very good amount of money so that we can cook good soup.
Mama, happen ke soup. Allow me to milk this man. Don't you trust me? Oh, you don't trust your daughter? Hey! Mama, the kind of money I want to collect from this man is big money. The one they used to give in check. You see this our empty land now, planned it 50 by 100. We knock it down with mansion. That is the kind of money. What is 1 million? Or small transport fare or soup money?
Free you.
Mama, calm down. Just give me time. I have how I'll collect money from him. Calm down.
You have how you collect money from him after touching you. Hey!
Amos.
Isn't how are you?
I'm fine.
What again?
I brought food for you.
You brought food for us. Isn't thank you so much for all your benevolence to us, my sister and I. I don't even know how to start thanking you or what I'll pay you back with.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
You're welcome. It's nothing. You don't have to pay me back with anything. I prepared a lot of food at home, so I thought it wise to bring some for you people.
Wow.
So far, I have food in my house. I won't allow you and your sister to starve.
Thank you so much. God bless you, okay?
You're welcome.
Babe. Come close. I just want to tell you that I'm in love with you. And I can't hold it to myself anymore.
Oh, I'm feeling so lost inside me.
I love you too.
Oh my God.
You're the kind of man I've always wanted to be with.
Hold on. I want to show you something now. This food should wait. Come here. Yeah.
Hey, Mom.
Are you exactly telling me? Wait. Are you the one saying this thing, Mr. Agent? What do you mean, for crying out loud? That the amount of money I paid you, you are telling me that it is not enough to clear the goods? I don't just seem to understand this rubbish you are telling me on the phone. Is this not a breach of agreement? Mr. Man, listen. I said, listen, enough of this nonsense. Enough of this. We had an agreement and I paid you the amount that we agreed on. Why are you telling me this rubbish now? Where do you want me to get this money from? I mean, when you know I invest my millions into different business, such as the one you're about to clear for me? What additional charges? By who? For who? So where do you want me to get the money from? Mr. Agent, listen, can you just stop telling me this? You are making me go crazy right now. Okay, what about the one that I paid you? Were you not the one who had the agreement with me? Did you send anybody? You were the one who came. We sat down, we talked about this, we discussed it. We agreed that I paid so much into your account. You received the alert, you confirmed it, and you're here telling me another rubbish. You are mad. Listen, now listen. Please listen to me. I've had enough of this rubbish. Listen. If I ever try to source this money and give it to you, when am I getting my goods? When am I getting it? Okay, thank you. Enough. I've had you. Thank you. Please leave my phone. Thank you. Honey, imagine this criminal agent. Imagine those scammers everywhere. Somebody that is holding my goods worth of billions. And he's just telling me that he needs an additional 800,000 naira to clear a goods. Him and I earlier agreed, and I paid him all the whole amount of money just for him to clear. I was even expecting my goods, and he just called to tell me he needs 800,000 naira. Where am I going to get the money from?
Wait. Calm down. We'll look for a solution to this. You said these goods are worth billions. Abi?
Yes.
Don't you think it's better we pay the 800,000 so that the billion goods can come?
That is the problem I am trying to address right here and now. Where am I going to get the 800,000 naira when I have invested all my money into different businesses, such as the one he's about to clear as well? Is it not when I clear my goods and start selling that I can generate money? Now the bastard is telling me that there are additional clearing charges and all of that to give him 800,000 naira. Where am I going to get the money from?
I understand what you're saying, but I think it still makes sense for us to just, look for the money one way or the other and give him the 800,000 so that those billion goods, because it will not be funny for us to now lose those billions because of 800,000.
I will kill somebody. Lose my goods? It's something that my ear shouldn't even hear of. If this guy was here, I would stand going,
It's okay.
Bastards everywhere.
Let's look for a way forward. So what do we do now? How do we get the 800,000 so that we can pay and get the billion goods now?
Baby.
What do we do?
Baby, if I tell you this thing is not getting at me, I'm telling lies. I mean, if there is, I'm just thinking if there could be a miracle, I mean, to see anywhere, anyhow, any way where I can loan the 800,000 naira. I mean, I'm going to pay back in a week's time, and I'll pay 1.5 million naira. Yes. Just to get this thing out of the hands of those criminals.
Wait, don't be angry. Did you say you will borrow 800,000 and pay 1.5 million? That's interest of 700,000.
Yes, I mean, that's the only option I have.
You know what? Let's calm down. Oh, when I get home, I will talk to my mother about it. I'm very sure there is something she can do. She can do something about it. It's not a problem. Just let me get home. I'll talk to my mother about it. Okay?
Wow,
but you're sure you pay with interest, the interest on top of the money?
Baby, of course. I may even add more, but I just give that as basic, so let it not look like I need a loan. That's the only solution I have to this this scammer's demand. This thing is just it's turning me crazy.
It's okay, oh. Don't worry. I'll talk to my mother about it. Yes, wow. I will. It's okay. You know I don't like to see you stress yourself. Oh?
What would I have done without you?
Nothing.
Honestly, I don't know that Henry has a good plans for you. To pay your bride price and take you to so many countries. Where Amos wouldn't have dreamt of taking you to. You see, the first time I set my eyes on that Henry, I knew it that good thing must come out of that boy.
Definitely.
Now see my daughter, see America.
Hey, Mama, you're supposed to be using megaphone to be shouting it.
See you, see America.
What's up, Mama?
You see?
You're talking to me now, I'm in America already.
Have you seen it?
Imagine the 1 billion naira goods Henry is waiting for. If that goods just land like this, Mama, we are made for life. All we need to do is just to look for that 800,000 and give it to him. And the good thing is that we're even going to make extra cash because he has offered to pay 1.5 million, meaning we have 700,000 naira extra.
Hi! Just in 1 week.
It's a 1 week. Mama, wait for the goods to
This
come.
is good. This is good and very huge.
Very huge, Mama.
But the problem here now is, where are we going to get the money from?
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Mama,
where are we going to get the money?
No, right now does it look like we have a problem? Are you not the one that told me that they recently made you the treasurer of a Catholic women organization? And And you said they gave you 1 million naira to keep, right?
Yes, you are right.
Hey, matter settled. All you need to do now is from that 1 million naira, Mama, it will take 800,000. We'll give it to Henry. By next week, Mama, this one we're talking now with Cock and Bull story. It has passed with extra 700,000, Mama. We're making extra money.
You are right. That's what I will do.
Yes,
that's what I will do. You see, in that case, I will have to meet our chair lady.
Good.
Yes. I will try and convince her to sign a withdrawal check for me. In fact, I will tell her that I need a loan and I will pay back in 1 week's time.
Bam, Mama.
Because we cannot afford to lose this opportunity.
It's a lose-which opportunity.
We cannot lose this opportunity.
Mama, we have gotten this opportunity already.
Yes, I will go and meet the woman leader now.
Mama, if you can, you go now,
the chair lady. I will go and meet her.
You go now.
Hi.
Mama,
how are we?
You are coming to America to do a mugo.
You see? Have you seen it?
Hey!
Ross, good evening.
Good day.
Sorry, I'm about to ask here. Are you the landlord of this compound?
Yes, it's our house.
Wow, congratulations. I'm from MTN. We choose your compound to erect a mask.
Oh, okay, because I saw them.
Yeah, you can
they
see
came
us.
around the last time to inspect some areas and all that.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. It's your compound that the thing fell on.
Oh.
So that is why I came in to congratulate you once more. But the next thing to do is to go to the office.
Okay.
To sign some documents.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey, this is wonderful.
Congratulations once more.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate.
Yes.
I appreciate.
Yes.
So I'll come to the office now.
You'll come to the office.
So we'll
there are
finalize.
so many benefits about it.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Yes. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you. I appreciate.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll be there.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Let me.
Thank you, sir.
Move on.
They chose my compound. Hey, I am feeling something. Oh, hey. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. This girl there. Okay. I'll go there.
Hey, babe. You here? I've been waiting.
Well, yes, I am here.
Welcome.
Ta-da! The money.
For real?
In the back. Yes.
Wow. You've done so well. You've done so well. Did you tell the person that I'm going to pay back 1.5 million by next week?
Okay, now let me just tell you the truth. This money actually came from my mother. Yes.
Wow.
She had to go to her church to borrow this money from the women's wing. She said it was so difficult for her to convince them that the person is going to pay back this money with interest.
Wow. She really did this for me?
I'm telling you. She did.
You have done so well. I must confess. In fact, as a result of this step Mama took for me, I'm going to reward her with a car by the time I finally clear my goods. Yes.
Shut up.
I will.
Wait. See that thing that you said now? Say it again.
Nothing is too big for Mama. I'm going to reward her with a car.
Shut up! Jesus! A car?
Yes.
Nam, the day you are buying that car, make sure you buy dog chain. Big one, no? Yes, so because you have to tie my mother. She will run mad. You want to buy a car for my mother?
Of course.
My mother will run mad.
What she did for me, I mean, it's not ordinary taking this big step.
Hey, this is what they even working. You are what they call a man. You are the true definition of a man. Not Amos. Okay, for Amos, my God. God will punish him. God will never create his kind again in this life. Just kept me to be suffering all the days of my life. See man now.
Suffering is over.
See man. The
suffering is over. The suffering is too big for you and my mother-in-law.
Oh, one more.
You've done so well. Baby, you've done so well.
I keep the money. Oh, if you need more, my mother will go and borrow. If you like, you can even sell my father's house and give it to you.
You are such a wonderful queen.
Okay, Kyo.
Don't worry.
Palliative Mwasa.
Don't worry.
TikTok ring light Mwasa.
I will surprise you.
Hey, baby.
I will surprise you.
Hey, you okay?
You've moved me.
Hey.
God has done it again, my sister. He has done it again.
So you're so happy. What is this now? My ears
He
are
has
itching.
done it again.
Hey.
Hey, God has done it again.
What is it?
God is wonderful.
My ears are
God
itching.
is merciful. Yeah? Do you know the deal we struck with MTN? They've paid.
You are not serious.
They paid into my account 45 million naira.
It's again.
Yes, 45.
Not
hearsay. 45 million naira, and they are coming by next week to mount their mass.
So you mean you have 45 million naira in your account now?
Look, I'm Gusigi. It's not hearsay, it's here. Let me show you the alert. Hold on. Naru's Nagaru. Chelo Jumayo. Yeah.
So,
Yes.
now millionaires.
Yes, so.
Yeah, I with 45 million naira
45
in our
million
account.
naira
Hey,
right
God,
now.
so wonderful.
God is so merciful.
From grace to grace.
Yes, my dear.
From nobody to somebody. Hey, God.
Worship Him.
Wonderful.
He's the omnipotent.
The omnipresent.
Omniscience.
Omnicash million.
Yeah? God is gone.
Hey, let me stand up. I need to dance. Because sing for me. Let me dance.
Ask him. Omekwala yozo. Omi huku. Jehovah mekwala yozo. Omi huku. Omekwala yozo. What the? What are you doing here? Who are you? How did you get yourself into my bedroom?
Hey, God, I beg you. Who opened your gates for this one? What do you mean, how did I get into you? Are you drunk? Eh? No, did you miss your way? Oh, I'm sorry. Obviously you did. Because I can see you are old and you know sometimes you people normally have amnesia. I'm sure you certainly forgot your way to your house. But Oga, just turn around. Go outside. Once you come out of the gate, make it right. I'm sure you will find your house. What do you mean this is my fiance's bedroom, for goodness sake?
Young lady.
Yes.
This is my house. This is my bedroom. And by the way, where is my gate man?
At the top, we still ask me question. What do you mean, where is do I look like your gatekeeper? Or somebody who keeps your gate man for you? What do you mean, where's... Oh God, this is not your house. I just told you this is my fiance's house. What is your problem?
Your fiancé?
Yes, my fiancé.
I will tell you again. This is my house. This is my bedroom. By the way, where is Henry?
You know, Henry.
If you don't leave my house now, I'll be left with no option than to invite the cops here.
You know what? I need to call Henry and ask him some questions. Because I don't understand what is going on here. Hello? Babe, where are you? I've been waiting for you. There is this madman standing right in front of me claiming to be the owner of this house. I don't understand what is going on. Where are you? You need to come back. He has been threatening to call the police on me if I don't leave this place. Jesus! Jesus, Mo! Jesus! Oga?
Young lady.
Sir?
Jesus has done nothing here.
I know, sir.
Now that I guess you've known the truth, and I'm very sure you know the way you came up here.
I know, sir.
Good. Now, leave my house.
Henry. Okay. Sorry, sir. Hey! Gateman. Henry. Jesus, Igwe. Jesus, Mo. Jesus, Oga. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sandra. Gateman chop you for free. Jesus. Hey! Jesus, Mo.
That's how you stupid girl go around trying to ruin people's lives. This place stinks.
Hey! Sandra, you have killed me. I am finished, oh. What am I going to do? Eh? What am I going to tell my fellow women? How do I explain this ugly news to the women in the church? Tell me, what am I going to do? Hey! I am finished. Oh, you told me you trusted this boy. You trusted him. That you know him too well. Now look at.
Look at. How would I have known?
Oh,
eh? How would I have known that porcupine, that bastard, that unsaturated salt is a gate man in his Oga's house?
All this name you are calling him will not solve any problem.
Mama, what do you expect me to do? The whole time I was going there, he was living like a boss. Living like, yes, he owns money. Hey, wherever you are, God will punish you.
Shimo.
God will punish you.
Hey, what am I going to do? God, why? God, why is my own different all the time? Why is my own always different? Eh? What is my offense? Eh? How did I offend you? God, just tell me.
Mama.
Look at Mama Nkechi. Her daughter married a millionaire. And they are enjoying life without any stories like this. Look at Papa Blessing. He has been traveling around the whole world, enjoying himself. That is the kind of man I want my daughter to get married to. The kind of people I want my daughter to associate with. Eh? God, why? Mama. God, why? Why is my own always different?
Mama.
Tell me.
Mama, do you know the most annoying part?
Hell!
Where this idiot was turning me on bed.
Eh?
Mama, there is no star he did not collect from me.
Hell!
Snake in the monkey shadow. There was one he called squirrel banking. Hey. Mama, there was nothing this man did not do.
And you are busy giving him all the style. You are busy giving him all the style.
Mama, I thought he was my husband to be now.
Hey!
Hi!
Shimo!
There was even one he was shouting like a lion. Mama, he finished me.
Have you seen it?
Get man! He finished me.
Hey! Have you seen it?
Hey.
Huh?
Get man.
He was shouting like a lion and swallowed the money. Have you seen it?
Hello? Yeah, what's up? How is Canada? I hope you're focusing on your studies. Yeah, do so you come out better, okay? Yeah, good. Yeah, she's here with me.
Hello, Uma. Canada, baby. How's the weather treating you over there? Oh, I know. Don't worry. You'll get used to it pretty soon. It's fine. You know I am capable of taking good care of him. You don't have to worry. Okay. Take care of yourself, okay? And please do study hard. Alright. Bye. Baby, I miss her.
Yeah, I missed her too. But it's all for good, you know. It's just for her to live a good life in the future.
Yeah.
So, babe, our wedding plans. The card is out.
Yeah. And it's in 2 months' time. Well, I am thinking of going around town to give the cards out to friends and family. So you should do same too.
I need to go and sleep.
I'm feeling so lost. Inside me, seems like I'm going on.
Is that the woman?
Someone come
Woman leader, this one you are in my compound by this time of the day with a police officer. I hope all is well.
How can all be well when you have refused to bring the women organization money?
Woman leader, I told you that money is in the bank. I've not been chanced to go to the bank and withdraw the money. That is why. Please just give me a little time. I will go and get the money.
What we'll do now, the money is in the bank, right?
Yes, officer.
We'll go to the bank now for you to withdraw that money. Now. Let's go.
Officer, please, let me say the truth.
Nothing to say here, madam. Let's go to the bank.
Let me say the truth. If I tell you what happens to that money now, you will pity me. They duped us. They duped my daughter and I. They did us 419 and took the money away. Just have pity on me. I will run around and get the money so I can pay back.
And how is that the business of the women organization?
Just understand me, woman leader.
Did we send you to use our money to do try and lock?
You did not send me.
Officer, this woman here is a notorious liar and a thief. Arrest her!
I can see. Let me carry out my police job.
You must vomit that money.
Don't worry. Woman, listen to me. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. And let me advise you. You just have to follow me quietly to the station because whatever you say here will be used against you in the court of law.
Arrest her.
Officer, arrest. Not conspiracy. I will. Officer, have pity on me. Sandra, I'm finished. Mama, what's going on? Is that money? That money. Woman leader has arrested me.
Madam, move.
That money. Woman leader has arrested me.
Madam, move.
Talk to them. Officer,
arrest this woman.
They have arrested me. They have arrested me. Hey. Yes.
Madam, move.
Let us talk about it. My daughter said we should talk about it.
When we get to the station, we'll remove it.
Hey,
she's a criminal. Madam, move. Madam, move.
Woman leader, come
to the station if you want to see your mother. Let's go. When we get to the station, we'll remove the handcuff.
People will see me. They will see me.
People will see her. When she was covering the woman money, people and they don't see her. Madam, move!
Officer,
hey! Mother.
Mother.
Yeah, babe.
Have you heard what happened to Sandra's mother?
Oh, yes. A friend of mine called me and told me that Kama is really hitting on them. It's none of my business. I don't care.
Baby, I feel pity for her. That woman is too old to be in the police cell.
Yeah, at least that will teach them a lesson. To stop being wicked in this life. Huh? They are too greedy. I don't know why. They are too greedy.
Baby, can you do me one favor? Don't make me have a good night rest.
You know I can do anything to make you sleep well. So what is it?
Babe, I want you to bail Sandra's mother. Let's teach them how to be good people. I understand they've treated you badly in the past, but God has blessed you. Show them that you're different. Show them that it doesn't pay to be greedy and wicked. Baby, please do this for me.
Sweetheart, don't even go there. Don't go there, please. You don't have slightest idea of what these people did to me. You don't know. These people punished me. They humiliated me. I lost everything I had because of these people. Everything. They killed my unborn child. That woman and the daughter. And you're telling me to do what? No. I cannot do that.
Baby.
Come on, I cannot do that, babe. Come on.
Baby, I know. I know every single thing they did to you. And you have every right to be angry with them. But I want you to understand that God is involved in your life right now. The blessings you are enjoying today might be a compensation of the good things you've been doing. Baby, please, let's build this woman. After all, the money you gave to the church is not even compared to what you want to give to them. Please, I beg you, please. My love, baby, please, do this for me.
See.
Remember you said you're going to do everything to make my night.
And that I promised. But do you know what? That woman will never change.
She will.
People like that do not change until they die. She will not change. So I don't know what you're asking me to do.
Baby, she will. And I know she'll be surprised if you do this for her. Who knows? She'll be very surprised and she might just change. Remember, Sandra is my childhood friend. And I've forgiven her. I've forgotten about everything that happened in the past. Baby, please do this for me. Please. Let's bail her out. Please.
Jesus. Listen me. Amos.
Sandra. You're surprised, right?
Eh?
Come on, you're not supposed to be surprised. Okay?
Wait. What is going on here? Someone should at least tell me what.
I've come to see you.
Jesus! Chimo!
I know you're surprised. But you shouldn't be.
Who owns the car? Eh? Who owns the car?
It belongs to my love.
Amos! In a jeep. Jesus, Mo.
Anyway, we come to see you. We heard what happened to your mother.
It's a long story, oh.
Yeah.
It's a very long one.
Yeah, we know the story. We know the story. But I just want to tell you that wickedness doesn't pay. Okay? Just let your mother know that. And you too. You should know that also. Huh? Okay. You have this 1 million naira. Go bail your mother from the police. Take it. Go on.
Para Jesus. It was 1 million naira.
Yeah.
You want me to bail my mother after everything she did to you? Hey, God bless you.
Sandra.
It's okay. Like I said before, just go and bail your mom, okay?
Thank you so much.
Sandra, it's okay. You don't have to cry. My love here has forgiven you and your mother.
Hey.
So just bail her.
I'm sorry. Even if she says you people are forgiving us, I still want to apologize. I know my mother wronged you so much. I wronged you as well, but please, in God's name, because just forgive us. Please.
It's okay. It's okay. Just have it in mind that wickedness doesn't pay. Okay? Come on. Hello. Come on, let's go.
You are leaving already?
Yeah. Go bell your mom, okay? Come on, let me take you to the car.
I'm sorry, my love, I'm forgiving you.
Is it me?
When you come back, my love.
It was your car.
Oh, your car. Not mine. You have a nice day.
A nice day.
Know that I offend you, babe. Know that I let you go. Please come back to me.
Amos is driving Jeep. Amos is trekker. Lexus. Hey! So this is how I just missed this opportunity. How God just gave me sugar in my mouth. I say, no, God, give me bitter leaf. Mugging him salt. Amos just left. Hi! 1 million naira. Hey, I need to go and bail Mama.
Okay, madam. You can sign here.
Mama, it's okay now. Stop crying. We are going home now. Officer, where did you say I should sign?
Yeah. You write that.
Okay. Mama, it's okay now.
You can go with your mother. Hmm?
Thank you. Thank you, I do. Thank you very much. Mama. Mama, it's okay now. Eh? It's okay. Thank you very much, son. God bless you.
Ah, shit. Oh, wait.
Hey! Hey! Huh?
How are you? Sit.
This is unbelievable.
You can have the seat.
You mean Amos is the owner of this house? Sandra.
You're welcome. Please sit.
This world is something else. Huh? I should sit.
Yeah, sit, please. You're welcome. What a surprise visit.
Hey! Huh?
Good evening.
It's okay. Sit. Feel free.
Amos.
Yeah.
So you are the owner of this house?
Yes, I am.
This world is something else.
Something else, Mama.
Hey!
No, you shouldn't have bothered coming. You know, yeah, it's of no use. Yeah, I did what I did out of my good heart. You know, yeah, I just have to do it based on old relationship. You know, when I was down, you guys thought it would be better, but it's not good to look down on people.
Hey, Amos.
Yeah, it's not good. It's a wickedness doesn't pay at all. It's good to be good in life.
Amos.
Because no one knows tomorrow.
Honestly, I want to thank you for all the things you did for me and my daughter. You see, it's not easy to see someone that can do this. Not after all the evil things we did to you. You still have to show us that kindness.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. You're welcome. The most important thing now is that you've been released.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the most important thing. At least I'm happy to see you out.
Hi.
Yeah. It's okay.
Thank you very much. Oh. Thank you.
Why don't you give them something to take? To drink or to chew, anything.
Let me get you something.
No problem.
Don't worry.
Oh, have you seen this house?
You don't have to bother.
Are you sure?
Yes, we only came here to say
thank you
to Amos and you for everything you did for us.
Yes.
And now that we've said that, we should start heading home.
No, it's okay. Just try and drink something, okay?
No, thank you.
Okay, it's okay.
Thank you.
That chin still remain, right?
Yes, babe.
We have chin.
No
okay,
problem.
Mama.
Thank you. This house is beautiful.
Okay, before you leave.
This house is very beautiful, Mama.
Let me use this medium to inform you that we'll be getting married in 2 months.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Our wedding card is out already.
Yeah.
Sandra, I'll come to the house and invite you specially.
Yeah.
Please don't forget to invite them, okay?
Yes, please.
Wait. You mean you two
Hey.
are getting married?
Oh, yeah.
In 2 months?
Yeah. Don't worry, we invited, okay?
No problem.
It's okay.
No problem. We will come.
Mama, let's go.
Let's
okay.
go.
We'll invite you again. Just take care of yourself, okay?
It's all right.
Yeah.
We are going.
Okay.
It's okay. Yeah. Have a nice day.
In 2 months.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey.
Mama, let us go.
I'm coming.
Yeah. It's okay.
This house is very beautiful.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Close the door behind you. Good.
My darling.
We need to get started in our preparation.
Sure.
Yeah. Why don't you get something for us to drink?
Okay, my baby. I'll be back.
Good.
I love you so much.
Love you more. Oh, what a beautiful world. Walking one ball, no. Oh my God.
Jesus! Sandra, I couldn't believe my eyes. Amos, that we all thought he cannot amount to anything in this life, not to talk of a life to come.
Mama, did you see Amos's house? Have you seen his car? Have you seen how much he has changed? Amos, are you to trek around this village? Amos has completely changed. But you see, Mama, for God, I blame you. I blame you for all this nemesis that has befallen me. You are the cause of it, because if you had just left Amos and I to enjoy our life the way we've been enjoying it, Shebi, I'll be the one balancing inside AC now. Look at me and you here now. Me, I'm suffering. Sweating like a goat.
Hi. Ezine can never enjoy your sweat.
Hi.
Yes, she backstabbed you and took your man away. This can only mean one thing. Sandra.
What?
Either Ezine has been jealous of you. She has been jealousing you and Amos ever since, and you didn't notice it. She has been eyeing your relationship with Amos.
Mama, it's true.
Yes.
Hey. God will punish that girl. Hey. Mama, as far as I live, Ezine will not enjoy that marriage. She will suffer in that sick, Mama. In fact, she will not even have the privilege of getting married to Amos.
Let her come and marry.
Friends are bad though. People are wicked. So all this while she has been eyeing Amos.
Yes.
You see this thing they call friendship. Nobody deserves to have anybody as friends. You should not keep anybody. Ezine will not live to enjoy that marriage. I swear to God.
Let her marry now.
Hi.
Let her get married to Amos. Let me see. Amos can never get married to Ezine.
Amen.
God punish her. God will punish Ezine for doing this to you. In fact, Sandra, don't worry yourself. Leave Ezine for me. She is too little, too small for me to handle.
Mama,
I will plan for it.
Mama, this is your plan. Did you see them? Did you see them? They are looking like
don't
God
worry
has already
yourself.
joined them together.
I will make sure that I scatter them. Don't worry. Don't worry. You don't have to worry yourself. I must plan about this. I will plan for this.
Good morning, beautiful lady.
Good morning.
My name is Blaze.
Okay, how can I help you?
Well, talking about helping me, I think you already did. You know, you already did by gracing me with such a beautiful smile, the lovely eyes, the height, and the way you walk. Like, you know, I was having a very bad day, and I just thought I'd take a walk and behold this angel.
Well, thanks for the compliments, and sorry about your bad day. But I'm engaged and I have a fiancé.
Oh, you're engaged?
Yes, and I'm getting married soon. So.
Oh, simply means no, and no.
Get out! Get out! You're very stupid! No, that's not fair! I just don't have one of you. You're like an angel. Get out! You're like an angel. You're like diamonds. Get out! You're like the stars. You're like the stars.
What are you doing here? I said, what are you doing here? You're kneeling down. Don't touch me, oh.
I won't touch you. I'm deeply sorry. I swear, it was the devil. It was devil. I don't even know what came over me. I don't know how I started acting in that kind of strange way.
You don't need to be sorry for anything. Because I'm not going to take you back.
Hey.
EBUBE Obi, you're heartless, you're wicked. It won't be possible. I cannot take you back. So don't be sorry for anything. Do you understand?
I need to be sorry. I know I offended you.
Don't touch me. Oh,
okay. I'll not touch you. I know I offended you. But I did not mean to do any of these things. I swear I did not mean to do it.
Hey.
It was I still love you from the deepest part of my heart. Remember, you are the one who disvirgined me. I cannot love any other man the way I've loved you all my life.
Come on, shut up. Shut up and just keep quiet. I cannot love any other man the way you love me. You're wicked. You're heartless. You, upon all I did for you, you left me because I was poor. I went to jail because of you. I sold everything in my shop because of you. You rendered me useless.
I know.
You rendered me worthless.
I'm sorry.
You humiliated me.
I'm sorry.
I was in cell because of you.
Hi.
What did I get in return? What did you pay me back with? You killed my unborn child. Hi, Sandra. Who be tagging Millie?
I'm sorry.
You see, the blood of that child will continue to cry on your head till you go for confession.
I've gone for confession.
Another one, you left me because I was poor for a richer guy. When you feel you don't want swag more than me, I was struggling. You neglected me. Upon all I did for you, I sold out everything I had and paid for your hospital bill. I saved your life.
No, I know.
Ubi Akagi. Hi. Sandra, you be wicked.
Yes,
You're heartless.
I'm begging you. I'm sorry.
I'm just asking for you to forgive me. I swear nothing like this will ever happen again. I will never ever disrespect you. I will love you.
Of course it will not happen again because I'm not going to take you back. Never. Not even possible.
Almost.
Not even possible.
Omo.
It's
Sandra.
Yeah?
It's Sandra.
Hey.
Your sweet Sandra. Biko, forgive me.
My sweet Sandra. You and I talk again. You're bitter. You're bitter. But do you know what? I have someone I love now. Someone I want to spend the rest of my life with. Someone so special. Isn't it? She knows my value. She respects me. So I think I'm cool with Ezinne. I am going to spend my life with her. Oh, you what yes.
Amos, I don't want you to think that I came here to do a ball. You know my heart is very clean.
That is what you are.
I know my heart is very close to that of God. So it won't be possible for me to see something going bad and I'll keep silent. I'm not saying it so that you can take me back. But you see Ezinne is the wrongest person for you to marry.
You want to spoil my mind, right?
I'm not spoiling your mind. I have known that girl since childhood.
Obu is not true. My Ezinne is a clean girl. I know her.
Ezinne does not love. See, she told me in confidence that she's going to leave you 2 days to your wedding. I know what I am telling you. Amos. Okay. Since you don't believe me, check your phone. I said
see, I don't want to listen to anything. There's no need checking leave my phone there.
Amos,
whatever you're saying, Ezinne cannot do it. I know my Ezinne.
Okay.
Okay?
Just check your WhatsApp. I sent something to your WhatsApp. Check your phone.
Okay. Okay. I'll prove you wrong. Because you're terrible. You may come.
Just check it. Eh?
What is going on here? This cannot be Ezinne now.
That is Ezinne.
No, this cannot be Ezinne that I know.
That is Ezinne.
This is someone in the street?
That is the same. See, even when they saw it, even me, I was shocked. I said, how will Ezinne that they said is getting married in 2 months' time? Now,
so wait. Did you come to tell me something or did you come to gossip? I thought you were begging and you're kneeling down. Now you're standing up.
Oh, sorry. It's shock.
You're not even serious.
It's shock. I was shocked. If you see how this girl was holding and romancing and kissing this man.
Hey!
Everything that she bought in that mall from A to Z, that man paid for it. They were hugging.
Wait, what is going on here? This cannot be Ezinne.
Now that is romance.
I give this girl everything. I give her money to go for shopping, to do everything she wants. And what is this?
That is why you should not trust her. This is
No,
this
cannot be Ezinne. No,
that is Ezinne. That is Ezinne. She's my childhood friend. I told you I know who she is.
Oh my God.
Eh?
Oh my God.
It's okay. Eh? You don't have to see me. It's okay. Sorry.
Ogini! You come to hug me or you come to do... Or all of you are the same.
No, I came to console you.
Console me. You console with mouth, not with hug. A warm one for that matter. Don't try that again. Hey! God!
Just take it easy.
What is this?
Take it easy. Even me, I was shocked though. I was very shocked. For a woman that wants to
Just
get married.
Get out. Get out of my house. Just get out of my house. Leave.
I'm leaving.
Out. This cannot be Ezinne. This cannot be. I give this girl everything. What is going on? She's kissing. Oh my God. I can't trust anyone. This cannot be happening. Damn.
Baby. Baby. Baby, I am back. My love. Babe.
Do not touch me. For how long has it been going on? Answer me.
What are you talking about?
So you've been cheating on me. So you've been having an affair outside our relationship. So you've been pretending that you love me and we're preparing marriage.
Baby, what are you talking about? Where is this coming from?
Where is this coming from? Who have you been dealing with?
I beg your pardon. What are you saying?
Okay. Deny it.
Oh my God.
Go ahead and deny it.
No, babe, I can explain. Baby, there is a mix-up somewhere. I can explain, babe. How did you get this? Baby, no, it's not what you think. Baby, this is set up. It's not what you think. No.
Cheating on me. Cheating on me. Cheating on me. I'll kill you.
Baby.
I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
Baby,
I heard good news. Mama. Has it happened?
They never see me coming.
Jump. Okay. Tell me, how did this happen? Tell me.
Everything has happened. Mama, you need to see bad things.
Oh.
Right from left to the right, center.
Oh.
You don't see punching, slapping. And you know God loves me too much. Just like
that is it.
My child.
That is it.
There and smile.
I
was just watching. Our plan worked out.
Well. Oh, I know. Oh, I trust
Mama.
I trust.
Mama.
You see?
Hey.
This is good news.
Best news ever.
This is pure good news. In fact, everything worked perfectly well.
Is that what you're saying?
Let me see how that your wicked friend will come and reap where she did not sow. Let me see it.
Let her go there.
Hey!
It's a burial they'll be planning.
Yes, now.
Mama, we have won.
We won.
They never see us coming.
Dun. See?
Mama, that is the actor of the year.
Yes, my friend.
That is the actor of
You
the
are
year.
now my friend. You are my very good friend. Come on, take 5. Down. Hey! My daughter told me everything.
Yeah. You know, when I told you that I was equal to the task,
Yeah.
when I told you that I was a master planner, you thought I was joking. How do you feel that I've delivered now? How do you feel? I delivered, right?
You delivered. You did it well. You did your job perfectly well.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Well, anyway, I have a lot of appointments, so sharp, my balance.
Don't worry. Let me go in and get to your balance. Let me go.
Hey! Bless the place. Fine boy now. You see the actor that did that film? That one, Titanic. Doesn't know how to act. You are no budget Johnny Drill. Give me 5.
My balance, sharp.
Balance.
Sharply.
Balance. Hey! Blaze. Just made everything so smooth.
Of course, I told you. It's our work now.
No, what?
It's our work, sharply.
I need my ring back. I need that engagement ring back. Ezene, I do not want to use force on you.
Are we still on this? Baby, why can't you believe me? I did not do it. I did not.
Can I get that ring back?
Babe. Baby. Baby, you know
Do not touch me. I need that ring back.
Baby. Baby, you know I have high blood pressure and it keeps on increasing because of this. Baby, please believe me. I did not do it.
Did you get me? I said I need that engagement ring back. That is what I need right now.
Baby, please.
Oh,
Baby,
who is this? Can I get the ring back? Do you want me to force you?
Oh, baby, I did not do it. Babe.
See, your stay in this house has expired. I do not want to set my eyes on you once I'm back to this house. Do you understand?
Baby.
Do you get that?
Fine. No problem. If that is what you want, I will leave. Because I have no business with a man who don't trust me. I have no business with a man who doesn't listen to me. And I can't live with a man who will judge me based on what he heard outside. And I have no business either with a man who won't forgive me when he sees my tears.
Thank you.
Babe! Baby, I did not do it. I did not! Oh, no!
Oh, I'm feeling so lost. Inside me, seems like I'm going on. Someone call my love. I'm sorry, baby, I'm forgiving you. I'm sorry, my love, I'm forgiving you.
Lord, what have I done to deserve this emotional torture? What have I done? Why is my life like this? Why? This is unfair. Why will Amos do this to me when I thought I have found love? God, why? Why?
Hey, I'm good. I'm good, I miss you. Please.
Hey, stand up, stand up.
I just let me leave and apologize properly. Please.
It's okay, stand up, stand up.
I just want to say I'm sorry. Those things I did, I didn't need to do any of them. I'm sorry, you know me. You know I'm a very nice person.
It's okay. Just keep to your promises that you never hurt me again.
I'm standing on my bare feet. I swear to you, I will
Don't
not
swear,
try.
it's okay. It's okay.
I'll try it again. I'm sorry.
Come here.
Hi. You have started. Hey.
Hmm? Look at me. Look at me.
To the room. Hi. You're a very bad man.
Isn't it?
Yes, Mama.
You came?
Yes, Mama.
Why is your face like this? You're not looking bright. What happened? What about your fiancé?
I am no longer with him. He sent me away, accusing me of cheating.
Why did you cheat on him? Eh? Is it not enough for you? Why did you cheat on him? Why?
I did not cheat on him. Huh? I am confused. I think there's a mix-up somewhere. I don't even know what happened. I am confused.
There is no mix-up. Eh? He can't just come and accuse you of cheating. Eh? You shouldn't have cheated on him. Why? Cheating is not good for any relationship. You should know it. It's not good.
Mama, I just said I did not cheat on him. Where's my friend?
Sandra, my daughter. She's in her fiancé's house. Yes, God has blessed my daughter with a rich man. Very, very rich.
Really?
Yes. Hey.
I'm so happy for her.
Hey, you have to be happy. Be happy for my daughter.
I'll call her later and congratulate her.
Later you call her. Oh.
Mama, I have to be on my way.
I'm going to bye-bye, no? Hey. Foolish girl. You think you can come and reap where you did not sow, not when I am still alive. God has exposed you finally, and my daughter has taken back her possession. Before you were mocking my daughter. You thought my daughter would fail. Now, she has taken back her possession. Hey!
How beautiful you're looking.
Yeah, you look good too. Oh no, I don't like this app.
Why?
See your face, you look like you're telling them. Sandra.
Yeah.
Amos, what is this?
Ezine, what are you doing here?
Did you not hear him? What are you doing here?
Amos, why are you doing this to me? After everything Sandra did to you, you decided to throw me out and bring her in?
I decide who to spend the rest of my life with. Huh? I decide that. And definitely that person is not you. Okay? So leave my house now.
Mommy, they say you should go.
Amos.
Yeah. Yeah.
Please. Amos, you know I have health issues. Amos, please forgive me. I did not do what you're accusing me of. But please, if I did, I am sorry. Please.
Yay.
Please leave my house. I am done. Leave my house.
Amos, I am sorry. My blood pressure keeps on increasing. Please forgive me. Please, I am sorry. I did not do it.
You don't tell me what to do or how to live my life. Please leave here. You're disturbing me.
Amos, I am sorry.
You're sorry about what? Leave my house. Now.
Auntie, go now. You know you have high blood pressure. Don't come and die here. We don't have space to bury you. Go.
Amos, you're making me think too much.
Yeah.
And if I die of high blood pressure, God will not forgive you. Sandra, I know this is all your handwork. And God will pay you back in your own coin. And as for you, Amos, you are so wicked.
Leave my house now.
Maybe you are done with your speech. Go.
I'll slap you. Leave here.
Mommy, they say you should go. Auntie, go
I said,
now.
leave my house.
Go. I don't know why people don't hear what. Too small, go. She will not listen. When it's okay, don't calm down. People like this should not, but this one will cheat. She should not bother you. It's okay.
I want to give her a dirty slap.
Okay, I wanted to slap her.
Yes.
I would have left you so that you give her a dirty slap.
A very hot one for that matter.
Please help me be rubbing her. Hey, she just came to spoil my mood.
Please, I am here to beg you, so you can open up to me. Who paid you to set me up? Who?
How do you sound like that? Why do you ever want to say something? See,
You know that I love you. I care about you so much. Why would I want to set you up?
Please, I will appreciate it if you don't call me babe. If it's not a setup, then how did my fiancé get those pictures? How?
I don't get you. I don't know your fiancé. I've never met him before. How would I want to set you up? See, babe, you should understand that I love you. I care about you, and that's what matters right now. That's what matters, please. You should know that.
Okay, if it's not a setup, can you please go with me to his house? So you can explain things to him that there is nothing going on between us, please. As I'm speaking to you right now, my wedding has been called off. My heart is broken and my strength is failing me every day. I have high blood pressure and it keeps on increasing by the day. Please help me, please.
Stop now. You have to cry. You're crying. Stop. It's yes, please. You have to cry, please. Just stop it. See, I understand that this is just a setup. This is just a setup, and I know you're going to triumph, okay? You're going to triumph. It's just temporary.
I love that guy so much, and I have never cheated on him. I don't know where all of this temptation is coming from. See, I don't know.
Okay, it's okay. I'm going to follow you to the bank. I'm going to beg you for me. You just have to understand that I love you.
Thank you so much. God will bless you. Thank you. Please, stop.
You don't have to cry. You don't want it. I love you. I care about you. What matters right now? You shouldn't be crying. Stop.
Isn't there?
Jesus.
Oh, really?
Hi, baby. You're here.
If you call me baby again, thunder will fire you.
No.
So this is what you do?
No.
Eh? Is this not the same guy you told me that you have nothing to do with? Huh? And some guy is here kissing and hugging you, squeezing you.
No, baby, no. I came here to...
Lie.
He was trying to...
Lie, go on.
We wanted to come to your house.
Okay.
So we can explain to you that we have nothing
So
going
I'm
on.
not an idiot. When I was working in, I saw what was going on.
Yes.
And you're telling him to tell me that nothing is going on. When I saw that something is going on. So I'm a fool. So when I see something, I cannot explain it. Isn't there? So this is who you are.
Please, can you talk to him? Explain things to him. He's
You're
here
such a
now.
disgrace.
Talk to him. Say something.
Talk to me about what? No, talk to me about what?
So this is... You that is supposed to be getting ready for your marriage. You allowed the Lord to be... See how you was just pressing it.
Pressing it.
Sandra, no. You see, no. Did I not see you? I see that. Did we not see you?
Oh, God.
The Lord has seen it, though. When I talk, they will say, Sandra, you talk too much, or you can lie. Aha! God has finally exposed.
And you know what? Shut up, my friend, and listen to me. Just shut up and listen to me. You're shameless.
Very shameless.
Shameless amweba. That is what you are. Eh? The same thing that cost you your marriage. You still have the guts to sit here, allowing him to make me happy again. Now again. I wasn't even hearing you mourning, baby. Baby. You heard that? I heard it. Don't lie, because I heard the sound. I heard the sound, isn't there? This is who you are. Something that cost you your marriage. You still had it. If one baby again, thunder will fire you.
Amen.
Look at you. You go money. The beautiful eagle that eats frog. Yeah? Look at you. Let's just do this. Are you mad? You have to go to hold my leg. You know that this leg is special. It's special for special people like this. The leg is precious for precious people like this, not you.
Please talk now. Tell him.
Animal. Let's live here. Enjoy yourself. Type.
Baby. Oh, get out!
Just slapped
Let's go.
Hey, just slapped you.
Mr. Man, who paid you to set me up? Who?
See what you're talking about? See, I just feel God is trying to save you from a toxic marriage. See, if he can slap you in public, what do you think he's going to do to you when he gets married?
Why didn't you say anything when he was here? Huh?
Babe, see, God is trying to save you from something. You should know. You should know. God is trying to save you from a toxic man. See, I love you.
Oh, stop it! Get out. Don't come close to me.
You won't get away with this.
Baby, see,
Get out!
Baby, I love you. I love you.
Get out!
I care about you. You should know that, please.
What is it? Why are you staring at me like that?
You know, you were right when you said that no one is perfect in this life. And you are also right when you said that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. Yeah. I think you're right. I think you're just the best for me, you know. At least I've known you for a very long time, and then I think that would be the best for me. Not that pretender that called herself Ezinne. You know, she was just there to break my heart and destroy me emotionally. It's okay. I'm going out now. Once I come back, I'll want us to go meet your mother so we can seal up our relationship. Move on.
Shut up.
It's warm.
It's a lie. You're joking. Wait, you're not serious, you're joking?
Yeah, I'm serious.
You mean you're going to see my mother to pay my bride price?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll rush off to work
yes,
now.
You need to rush so that you don't go late.
Once I'm back, we'll go.
Yes, definitely.
Take care of yourself,
You
okay?
too. Okay, bye. Have a nice
I think that God won't forgive me, 'cause I'm sitting right now, loving you unconditional. Tell me, why am I on so different? Why can't you love me back?
Hello? Hello, Mama? Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. Hi, Mama. Wherever you are now, if there's a radio near you, just turn it on. Play correct Awilo song and start that Makosa. Mama, we have the best news ever! You are the latest game changer. Hi! Mama! You see that guy that we hired? That guy is the #1, the champion. Hey! Mama, that guy deserves an Oscar award. Hey! You needed to see drama. Mama, the basketballs was falling from left, right, center, middle, everywhere. If you see the slap, I mean the hot slap Amos landed on his face. Hey! Mama, even me that they did not slap, I was not seeing with one of my eyes. Mama, it was too good. That guy is the perfect guy for this job. Now I'm very sure that she has learned her lessons. Nonsense.
Good for her. I hope the slap takes one of her eyes.
Hey, Mama is beginning. I'm sure she can't even see with any of those eyes. I want you to give you good news. Hey!
Your bride price. Hey! Eh?
Mama Biko, away for this wedding. The color of the day is white and gold. Don't go and bring all those wrong kind friends. At that wedding, just get prepared because my husband-to-be just told me that when he comes back from work, we are coming to see you so he can pay my bride price.
No one is paying your bride price.
Hello? 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 Hello, Sandra? Why is she not talking to me again? Hello?
Not anymore. Go ahead and tell her.
It's drama. I mean, it's not what you think. It's not what you think. It's
You're an actor. You can act very well.
Yes. I must be gone. I'm sorry.
So it has been you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Biko.
So you're the one behind all this while?
I'm sorry.
You made me chase my woman away and cancelled the wedding. Because of this?
Please. I'm sorry. I couldn't just stand. I couldn't stand easily having you as a husband. I couldn't stand having you as her own husband. Please. I'm sorry. I swear I don't even know what.
Sandra, you're terrible.
You must be calm, please. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry, please.
Sandra.
Yeah?
I don't want to turn to a murderer.
Murderer?
Yes. I want you to leave me alone, take your hands off me, and leave this house now.
Hey, it hasn't got into that, so...
Sandra, leave this house this minute.
Most people see. Please, no.
If I count up to 3, I will do something that you will not leave to explain.
Please.
Leave this house. 1.
I'm begging you now. Eh? I'm
2.
begging you. We must please.
I'm feeling so lost. Inside me, seems like I'm going on.
Sandra, what is it? What's the problem? Where is Amos?
Mama, see, not asking me anything.
Why is Amos not here with you?
Mama, if you are so much, come anywhere close to me. If you come anywhere close to me, I swear to God, I will push you down.
Push me down how? Eh? Tell me what happened.
Hey, Mama, you are the cause of everything happening to me. Why didn't you just leave me with the love of my life? Why didn't you leave me with Amos? Why didn't you let me be? Let me have my peace with him. Now look at me. I hope you are happy. Just so you know, he heard our conversation over the phone and he threw me out of the house.
Hey! Chimo! Hey! What kind of ugly news is this? Eh? This is bad news. Why? And I was busy preparing soup. A very good soup for both of you to eat and enjoy when you come.
Just a waste.
Look at it. Hey!
You're still here talking about soup.
What am I going to do?
What's going on here? And Sandra, what happened? I saw you push your mother.
I don't know.
Hey,
I just pushed her small.
she's dead though.
Eh?
She's dead. You killed your mother. She's dead.
Mama, please.
What happened, Sandra?
Please, I'm sorry. I'm
Hey.
sorry. I didn't mean to push you. I didn't mean to. I didn't
Oh, not
just
that woman down. She's dead.
Please.
She's killed her mother.
Hey, Mama.
Neighbors.
Okay. I'll go back to Amos's place. I'm gonna apologize to him. I'm sorry, Mama. I didn't mean to do it. Somebody help me! Somebody help me, Mama. People, no. No, I did not kill my mother. Sorry, officer. It was a mistake. I just mistakenly pushed her.
I saw you push her and she fell down and hit her head.
It was an accident, for goodness sake. Oh, officer, please, you need to listen to me. You see this woman lying down here? She's my mother. She loves me very much and I love her too. Why in God's name would I want to kill my own mother?
Officer, I'm living witness here. I saw her push her mother. She fell down and hit her head in the pavement.
It was a mistake.
Young woman,
officer.
you're under arrest.
Jesus.
And I will advise you to remain silent because anything you say here or do will be used against you in the court.
Hey, Mama. Mama, I know what you're arresting me. It was a mistake, officer. Officer, because you're bringing handcuff. Officer.
Are you going to give me your hand?
I'll give you my hand.
Will you give me your hand?
Officer.
Come through.
Sorry, sir. Hey, officer, you're wearing me handcuff. You're wearing me handcuff. Officer,
Shut up
with
there.
A mistake.
I
want to peace.
Move! You want to do what? He's not trying to peace. Move. Come. Come. Sit here.
Mama.
Sit down here.
Officer, please.
Shut up. Stop talking.
Mama, wake up now. Mama, because you know. Hey, telling me where to look at. You know, it was a mistake. We went to go and call the police. Hey, Jesus. Hey, Mama. Hey, Chimo. Officer.
Shut up there. Hello, sir. I'm in the crime center.
Mama. Jesus.
Yes. You need.
Hey, God of Elijah. God of Elijah, send that fire. Send that.
Yes, sir, I'm waiting.
Hey, Mama, stand up.
Can you shut up? Can you shut up? Close your mouth.
Thank you. Yeah.
Isn't it? Babe. Why are you lying on the floor while your room is here? Babe? Isn't it? Babe? Isn't it? What's going on? Isn't it? Oh my God. Isn't it? Hey! Isn't it, please, if it's because of what I did to you, please, I'm sorry. I'm here to apologize, okay? I've realized the truth. I'm here to apologize. Please don't do this. Isn't it? Please don't do this. Can you hear me? Izzy, can you hear me? Isn't it?
What happened to her?
Hey!
What happened to her?
I don't know. I found her like this.
Isn't it? What did you do to her?
I did not do anything to her. I came in now and I found her on the floor.
I don't understand. Isn't it that just came back a few minutes ago? Isn't it?
Then you should know what happened to her.
Isn't it? Who?
You.
Isn't it?
Oh my God, what is this?
What did you do to her now? Talk. What did you do to her?
I did not do anything to her. I just came in now. Hey, God.
Where are you going to?
What do you want to do?
Esne came back a few minutes ago and she was very okay. So what did you do?
Then explain to me what happened to her. You should know.
Who? Neighbors! You want to
You're calling neighbors on me. I did not kill her.
Is here, arm robber. Who?
Hey. How can I do this now? This is my girlfriend. I cannot kill my own girl. It's not possible.
Now you study that thing when you talk. Okay? You don't keep us in there, they speak English. Today you
Officers, this is the thief.
Yes.
The killer. Arrest him.
Officer, I did not do anything. This is my girlfriend. I did not do anything. How can I kill my own girl?
Okay.
Is it possible?
Come and explain it.
Confirm.
Killer. See her now, she's not moving. She came back here a few minutes ago and I was washing. All of a sudden, she was just lying on the floor with this young man.
Exactly the way I came in here, I saw her lying down on the floor before she came out. I was tagging me a murderer. I am not a murderer. I didn't. Maybe you're the one who did.
Quiet, young man, keep quiet.
It's okay. You say you live here.
Yes, sir.
And you also said you saw her alive.
Very sure.
These people, who are they?
They're my neighbors.
They are living in this compound.
Yeah.
I did not kill. This is my girl. I did not kill her.
Quiet.
She was the one. She was the one I saw here. I saw the bucket, and immediately she came out from that place. I did not do anything, and she was tagging me a killer.
Young man, I will advise you remain silent, because anything you say again shall be used against you in the court of law. Officer, arrest him.
Yes.
Hey, just like that. What kind of nonsense is this?
You will go there.
Give me your hand.
I'm robber.
Truthfully, I did not
Did not even
do
come in the
this.
night. This afternoon like this, just enter.
This girl must be a devil.
Move him to the car. Move him to the car.
This girl must be a devil.
No. Leave them. Leave them. She will go with us.
Alright, let's go.
Don't worry, you will go with us. There is no problem.
Yes, you better go with us.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You are safe. Yeah? You are safe. Take them to the car.
Killer.
Hello, DPO. Hello, DPA, sir. Yeah, we are in the crime scene now and everything is true. Yes. Please, we will be needing ambulance immediately, please. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Believe me, isn't I love you? Believe me, I've been loving all of this. Baby, I love you. Believe me, baby, I love you. I'm forgiving you. Can you come back, my love? Come back, my queen. You, babe, but now I let you go. Please come back to me, come back to me. I've forgiven you, my beauty, my original.